Most of the times when making an amigurumi, you have to start off with a certain number of single crochets in a magic ring. So let's see now how to make this first single crochet. We start from the magic ring and we are going to perform the single crochet as usual, and the place where you have to insert your hook is the magic ring itself. So here is the yarn you have to grab. You insert your hook in the circle, okay, in this way. You grab the yarn, you pull through the circle, and now as usual you yarn over and you pass through the loops on your hook. We can see another one. I insert the hook in the circle, I yarn over, pull through the circle, and then I yarn over and I pull through the 2 loops on my hook. So now you see I have 2 single crochet in the magic circle already. Normally it starts with 6, so I can make several other ones. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I will make 2 more. So this is how 6 single crochet in a magic circle look like. You may notice that so far it doesn't seem that round yet. To make it round, you take the loose end of the yarn in your hands and you pull. And now you created your first round, and from here you are going to keep working to working rounds.